Today was a great day. I went wedding dress shopping. Wedding dress shopping. I have it. It's down there. It's in a plastic bag. I should probably put it up on a hanger. That's what I should do. I should do that first. Yeah, it's kind of cool. But I'm gonna go make some food. Don't ask me what the food is because I don't think it really has a name. I'm kind of just gonna make it up as I go, but it'll taste delicious. Consisting of chicken, vegetables, potatoes. Gotta have vegetables. I could do some rice. Hope you enjoy. Let's go.
Potatoes. You mixed this? Thank you.
Let's just remove that from shall we?
Now we dine. Come and dine. Sing the dine song. Come and dine, the master calleth. Come, dine.
Service to the guests. Tie your napkin round your neck. And you're right there. Voila.